The rule for addition or subtraction of fractions is we have to have a common denominator. So if we have a over d plus b over d, the result is the sum of the numerators over the common denominator. And likewise, it works the same for subtraction. If we're subtracting fractions, we must have a common denominator, and we subtract the numerators. Let's take a look at simplifying an addition of fractions with common denominators. We have the green light, essentially, which means the rule for adding fractions, they must have the same denominator. Both of these fractions have a denominator of 8, so we can proceed with a 3 plus 2, the sum of the numerators over the common denominator. Simplify leaves us with 5/8. Likewise with subtraction, the same situation is required when we're adding or subtracting. We have to have a common denominator, which that is the case here. We have the variable a. The rule then is subtract the numerators and keep the denominator. The denominator does not change. 4 minus 2 can be simplified into a 2 over that common denominator of a.